The people of Valencia, especially the mayor, is welcoming the Bingo Plus medical mission here in Valencia City.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Valencia City Hall. Tara, kausapin natin si Mayor Huervas para mapag-usapan natin yung gaganapin nating medical mission dito. Yung partnership natin with the local government unit, specifically dito sa Bukidnon, no, sobrang progresibo. Mismong ang mga local government officials natin ay nare-recognize kung ano yung need ng province nila.
I'm happy na you are conducting the free medical mission here in Valencia City. It is an opportunity for the people of Valencia, although 1,200 beneficiaries ang makater ng medical mission.